Hi, welcome to Open Hand Farm. Today's a fun day. Every month, I'm always anxious to get my Azure order, and I thought I would share with you what I got this month. Okay, box number 1. I love the fact that these are not fresh new boxes like you get from Amazon. They're always boxes that they have refolded and reused from shipments that they have gotten. So you know the boxes have been recycled. That's nice. Okay, this is a frozen order. This is my sprouted sourdough bread. I know I've talked about that in some of my other videos. I love this stuff. It's so good. So I have 2 loaves of that, actually 3. So let me set those out. And then my other favorite thing that I've been getting is sprouted everything bagels. You guys, these are so good. These are so good. So I have 3 of those also. Now, you do not have to buy these 3 at a time. You can just buy 1, but I like to buy them 3 at a time. All right, box number 2. Now there's something that I bought a lot of in this order. I'm going to have to move the breads over. Sometimes, even though you have a greenhouse and even though you start your own plants, sometimes you just don't get everything started that you want. And instead of going to a nursery and trying to find the things I was looking for, I went ahead and ordered them from Azure because their plants are so nice. I've really had good luck with them. Okay, we have dahlias. I've been wanting to plant some dahlias. Something that I did plant, I planted twice, and I only got 1 of, was my nasturtiums. So I bought 3 nasturtiums. I figured I was going to have to buy them somewhere, so I would buy them there. Then I got this plant in honor of my dad. I think I bought 2 of them. Yes. They're called Sweet Williams, and they're a pretty bluish purple flower, and he would have loved them. So I got those to plant. And I think they're an annual. Nasturtiums are an annual. And I'm thinking dahlias are perennials, but I might be wrong. Okay, then another dahlia. Then I also got some lavender. I've never been able to start lavender. I know it has to be planted after being cold stratified, but I've never gotten them to grow. So I've got 2 lavender plants. This is salvia, and it's a mix, so it's all different colors. And these are alyssums. Now, I did manage to plant alyssums last year and grow them, but I didn't get it done this year because they take a long time to start. And the ones I had were always white, and these have purple and pink ones. So I went ahead and ordered these. Okay, next box. Now, I will need to harden these off because they have not been. Oh, more plants. Okay. I have a mullein plant. I keep wanting to find mullein around here, and I've been struggling. Last year we went foraging one time, and I found a couple, but they didn't have the flowers on them, and that's what I want. But those will come up on the second year, so I need to keep it alive at least for 2 years. I wanted more fennel. I couldn't remember if I had ordered this or not, but I will plant this outside the chicken run. And then as it grows through the chicken run, the chickens can peck at it, but they will not destroy the bulb and ruin it. And then I wanted some little small sugar pumpkins. I didn't have seeds for them, and they were a good price for 6 of them, so I just went ahead and got them. Now I gotta find 6 spaces to put them. All right, next box. This one's cold, so it might have freezer items in it. Maybe should have started with this one. Yes. This is an ice cream that I love having. It's an organic plant-based made with coconut milk, and this is Madagascar vanilla bean, and I don't eat processed sugars, so the sugar in this is actually coconut. So this is exciting. I love having this in my freezer because sometimes everybody else is having a treat and I don't have anything, so I go to this. One more box. This wasn't a very big haul because I really didn't need a lot, but I am very happy to have all these plants. Oh yeah. Okay. I've been trying to cut down on my coffee drinking, so I've been using Dandy Blend. So I was running a little low, so I went ahead and ordered some more of that. This is dandelions. Let me tell you what's in it. Roasted barley extract, roasted rye extract, roasted chicory root extract, and roasted dandelion root extract. And it's just a good alternative to coffee. I really like the taste of it. I bought some baking soda. I had been using Arm & Hammer to cook with, and recently have learned that that's really made for cleaning. This is a more pure form of baking soda, so that's what I decided to get that. Also, baking powder. I've been trying to use the Rumfords, I think it is, in the red can, but this one is non-GMO, and I just think it will be a better deal. Now, because I'm trying to cut down on my coffee drinking, I also got some superfood mushroom blend, and I've had this before. It's really good. It has lion's mane, cordyceps, reishi, chaga, astragalus, and Arabica coffee. So it does have coffee in it, but it has other good things in it too. And the sweet does have a sweetener in it, and that is made with maple syrup powder. This is one of my other favorite things. I know you've all seen me talk about this if you've seen my other Azure Standard hauls. The probiotic cottage cheese. I just got one because I'm not eating it as often as I did, so I'll probably be sorry because I was buying them 3 at a time. So we'll see if one works for me for the month or if I need to go back to buying 3. Okay, that's all of the boxes. Now over here, I have 25 pounds of organic rolled oats. My mom eats oats every morning. I make overnight oats. We make protein balls with oats. We use a lot of oats. So we buy these bags, and they are the best oats I have ever eaten. I love them. Then under the oats, I have a 50-pound bag of the Central Milling Company all-purpose flour that is just so wonderful. I love baking with this. I couldn't get it for a little while. It was on back order, and I used other flours and I could tell a big difference. I really like this to make bread and all the things that I make. So I'm really glad to have more of that. I do have some in some tubs, but I went ahead and ordered so that I will make sure I don't run out. So that's my haul for today. Like I said, it's not huge, but I just love these products and I order them again and again because they're so good. If you haven't used Azure Standard yet, look it up, give it a try. I think you'll like it. Our drop point is halfway between here and Mark's work, so he's able usually to leave work and stop by and pick it up and come home. But if it's not that far. I don't know where your drop would be, but it's an amazing thing to watch when you go to pick up your order and everyone is in a line and unloading the truck and putting your items next to your nameplate, and it gets emptied so fast. Even the kids are jumping in and working, and pretty soon it's done. You throw it in your car and you come home. It's a really easy process, so don't let the thought that you have to go to a drop to pick up your items keep you from trying all of these great products. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, blessings on you and yours.